Hello guys, welcome, and today we will discuss the band descriptors for IELTS Speaking Test. So IELTS Speaking Test has 4 band descriptors. They are fluency and coherence, grammatical range and accuracy, lexical resources, and pronunciation. As you know, the IELTS test is marked with 9 bands. The maximum that you can attain is band 9. Okay. Now, what is fluency and coherence? Fluency and coherence means the ability to speak without hesitation. Now, what does that mean clearly? It means that students should not stutter. They should not be like, and they should not repeat words. I think, and then move on to the sentence. So, fluency means again to speak clearly without any stoppages. It's like a car that moves with a constant speed. Coherence is flow of ideas and thoughts with using a range of words and phrases. Flow of ideas. Your ideas should flow clearly. Okay. They should have all the hallmarks of a good English sentence, but also they should be logical. So you cannot say like the chair is flying because that does not have any logic. Okay, so your idea should be clear and they should have a purpose, or they should be logical. Okay, the second is grammatical range and accuracy. So grammatical range and accuracy means ability to produce speeches that is grammatically correct using both simple and complex sentences. Ability to speak clearly or with using simple sentences and complex sentences. So simple sentence has one independent clause and complex sentences will have more than one independent clause. I will speak about independent clauses in the later videos. Okay, but in simple words, grammatical range is all about using words that not only have a good sound bite attached to them, but again should be coherent and also should be logical, so that your ideas can flow easily. Okay. I've already posted a video on how to improve your fluency as well as grammatical ranges. For lexical resources, I've already posted a video on how to improve your vocabulary. Okay. So let's come back to lexical resources. Lexical resource means ability to speak clearly, choosing the right words and phrases. Also using less common words. Again, it is the ability to choose your words clearly as well as words that are not repeated. Okay. So for example, in simple grammar, we use pronouns. So for example, we say Aman goes to the mall. Aman likes shopping. Right? This is a sentence that uses the noun Aman twice. But that is incorrect, right? We use the pronoun he. Similarly, you want to use words once or twice and then show your ability, show your range. Okay, so for to improve your lexical resources, it is often prescribed that you start to use thesaurus, read more, as well as read articles that are not only important in your life but also that improves your knowledge. Okay. Another point is paraphrasing. Paraphrasing is just giving the sentence a newer meaning. Is just telling the sentence in a different manner. Okay. So for example, you can use the word like and you can also use the word prefer. They have similar meanings. So with the help of these kind of like synonyms, you can paraphrase your sentence and make your sentence better. So in writing task 1, we often paraphrase the first topic sentence. So if the question says the graph illustrates, so you write the bar chart or the line chart elucidates, okay, or showcases. So you have changed or you have paraphrased the line itself. Okay, so this is how it works. The last part is pronunciation. Pronunciation is the ability to speak clearly in an understandable way, the ability to speak clearly. So you have to be a clear speaker. The examiner should be able to hear you clearly, and he or she should be able to understand your words or what you are speaking. If he or she is not able to understand what you are speaking, then your pronunciation marks will get cut, and you will have to suffer and might also get a low band score. So these are the 4 band descriptors for your IELTS speaking. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button